Hello, this is Jirka from Reawote.com, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Reawote Browser into your 3DsMax. So first of all, when you downloaded the file from our website, you need to extract the file, and inside folder is this mzp file. So you will just drag and drop it like this to the viewport, and now it's installed. So what you have to do now is go to Customize tab and hit this Customize User Interface and find, by hitting R on the keyboard, Reawote Browser, and you can just drag and drop somewhere like this. And now I can open it. During the first open I need to log in, so I will sign in with my Google account, and now Reawote Browser is fully accessible, so you can start to importing asset into the 3DsMax. But when you try it for the first time, this message will pop up, so you need to define the location where you will store all of those assets. So I will just create some folder on my desktop, and now I can start to download assets. So this is the basic setup, and in the next tutorial, which you can find as well on the same page where you downloaded this installation file, realworldtextures.com/plugins, you can find the tutorial how to operate and work with Reawote Browser inside 3dsMax. So thank you for your attention, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the following tutorial.